Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you feel happy and healthy today. Okay, this time we are going to learn mathematics. We will study chapter 3 by the theme 2D shapes. But before we begin our lesson, don't forget to pray. Let's begin by reading Al-Fatihah first. Al-Fatihah. Amin. Okay, now please prepare your mathematics book. Okay boys, in this chapter you will learn to identify and describe 2D shapes. And then you will learn to identify symmetrical shapes. And the last, you will learn to identify and draw lines of symmetry. Jadi, di dalam chapter 3 ini, kalian akan belajar untuk mengidentifikasi dan mendeskripsikan bangun datar 2 dimensi. Dan juga, kalian akan mengidentifikasi bangun-bangun yang simetri. Dan yang terakhir, kalian juga akan mengidentifikasi garis simetri dari bangun datar 2 dimensi. Are you ready boys? Here we go. The first theme that is knowing more shapes. Please look at the shapes below. Shapes 1, shapes 2, shapes 3, and shape 4. What can you say about them? Coba amati bangun datar 2 dimensi berikut ini. Ada 4 bangun datar yang memiliki bentuk yang berbeda. Apa yang dapat kamu katakan tentang bangun-bangun datar tersebut? Let's learn together boys. Mari kita belajar bersama-sama. Look at these 2D shapes. What is the name of this shape? This is triangle. Triangle has 3 straight sides. Sides 1, sides 2, and sides 3. Jadi bangun datar ini namanya adalah segitiga. Segitiga memiliki 3 sisi yang lurus. This shape also called as triangles. Even they have different shapes, but they have 3 straight sides. 3 bangun datar yang berwarna merah, hijau, dan ungu di sini juga dinamakan segitiga meskipun bentuknya berbeda dengan warna yang kuning tadi. Karena 3 bangun tersebut juga memiliki 3 sisi yang lurus. And the next, this is square. Square has 4 straight sides. Sides 1, sides 2, sides 3, and side 4. Bangun datar 2 dimensi ini namanya adalah segi 4. Segi 4 memiliki 4 sisi yang sama panjang. Those are the other example of squares. And the next, what is the name of this shape? The name of this shape is rectangle. Rectangle has 4 straight sides too. And these are the other example of rectangles. Bangun datar berikutnya adalah persegi panjang. Persegi panjang juga memiliki 4 sisi lurus. Akan tetapi, sisi dari persegi panjang ini memiliki 2 sisi yang sama panjang. Bisa kalian amati di sini ya. Okay, next. What is the name of this shape? This shape is circle. Circle has a curved side. It does not have straight side. Bangun datar ini namanya adalah lingkaran. Lingkaran memiliki sebuah sisi yang lengkung. Lingkaran tidak memiliki sisi yang lurus. These are the other example of circles. Yellow, purple, and green. And the next shapes. What is the name of this shape? This is pentagon. A pentagon has 5 straight sides. Side 1, sides 2, sides 3, side 4, and side 5. Bangun datar 2 dimensi ini namanya adalah pentagon. Pentagon memiliki 5 sisi yang lurus. And the next shape is hexagon. A hexagon has 6 straight sides. Sedangkan hexagon memiliki 6 sisi. Okay, now please open your mathematics book, page 21. Question number 1. Match the shape and its name. Hubungkan bangun datar 2 dimensi di sebelah kiri dengan nama yang sesuai yang berada di sebelah kanan. As you see here, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2D shapes. And in the right side, you see 6 name of 2D shapes. And now you turn to match them with the right name. What is the name of the first object? Good job. The first object or the first shape is triangle. How about the second shape? What is the name of the second shape? Good job. That is circle. How about the next shapes? The next shape is pentagon. And the fourth shape is square. And the fifth shape is hexagon. And the last shape is rectangles. These are the 2D shapes and the right names. Okay, now let's continue to the second question. Match the shape and its name too. You may look at your mathematics book, page 22. There are 5 different 2D shapes. And in the right side, there are also 5 different names of 2D shape. And now your turn. Please match the shape and its name. Sekarang giliran kalian, silahkan menghubungkan bangun datar 2 dimensi di sebelah kiri dengan nama yang tepat yang berada di sebelah kanan. Let's begin to the first shapes. What is the name of the first shape? Good job. That is pentagon. Pentagon has 5 straight sides. Pentagon memiliki 5 sisi yang lurus. And the second shape is triangles. Triangles has 3 straight sides. Sedangkan bangun datar yang kedua namanya adalah segitiga. Segitiga memiliki 3 sisi yang lurus. And the third shape is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 straight sides. Sedangkan hexagon memiliki 6 sisi yang lurus. And the next shape is square. Square has 4 straight sides. And the last is rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 straight sides. Square dan juga rectangle memiliki 4 sisi yang lurus. Namun dalam persegi panjang atau rectangle, 2 sisinya sama panjang. 4 sisi, masing-masing 2 sisinya memiliki sisi yang sama panjang. Okay, now boys, please look at the question number 3. Name the shapes. Mathematics book, page 23. You may look at your mathematics book, page 23. Question 3a. What is the name of these shapes? Good job. These are triangles. Second question. What is the name of these shapes? Good. These are rectangles. 3c. What is the name of these shapes? Well done. These are squares. And the next. What is the name of these shapes? Good job. These are pentagon. And the last, what's the name of these shapes? Good. These are hexagon. Okay, now boys, let's continue to the second point, that is symmetrical shapes and also lines of symmetry. Untuk poin yang kedua, di sini kalian akan belajar tentang bangun datar yang simetris dan juga garis simetris. Let's fold this airplane. Mari kita lipat pesawat berikut ini. Step 1, fold a shape in half. And then the two halves fit exactly. Lipatlah bangunnya di bagian tengah. Setelah dilipat, dua bagian tersebut saling menutupi atau berhimpitan satu sama lain. Step 2, unfold the shape. The fourth line is the line of symmetry of this shape. Look at the picture. Step yang kedua, setelah kalian lipat, bukalah lipatan bangunnya. Nah, di situ ada garis lipatan. Garis lipatan tersebut adalah garis simetris dari bangun airplane tersebut. So, based on the practice above, based on the activity above, it can be concluded that this airplane is a symmetrical shape. It can be folded into two halves that fit exactly. The fourth line is the line symmetry of these shapes. Jadi berdasarkan kegiatan yang sudah dilakukan itu tadi, dapat disimpulkan bahwa pesawat terbang tersebut adalah bangun simetri. Bangun simetris dapat dilipat menjadi dua bagian, atau bangun tersebut dapat dibagi menjadi dua bagian yang sama persis baik dari bentuk ataupun besarnya. Garis lipat adalah garis simetri bangun tersebut atau garis yang membagi bangun ruang dua dimensi menjadi dua bagian yang sama besar. Okay, let's continue boys. Now please let's trace its shape and fold the dotted line. Silahkan buatlah bangun seperti gambar di bawah ini, kemudian lipatlah garis putus-putusnya. This is the first shape. Please make the dotted line here. what will happen? This is the second shape, and then please fold the dotted line. And this is the third shape. This is the dotted line. After that, fold it based on the dotted line. What will happen? These are symmetrical shapes. The dotted line in its shape is the line of symmetries. Jadi, tiga bangun tersebut ketika kalian melipatnya berdasarkan garis putus-putus tersebut, maka kalian akan mendapati bangun yang simetris. Garis putus-putus pada setiap bangun datar tersebut adalah garis simetris. Apa tadi anak-anak bangun datar simetris tadi? Good job. Bangun simetris adalah bangun yang dapat dilipat atau dibagi menjadi dua bagian yang sama persis, baik dari bentuk ataupun besarnya. Sedangkan the line of symmetry atau garis simetri adalah garis lipat dari garis simetri bangun tersebut. Okay, now please look at your mathematics book, page 29. Question number 1. Are the shapes symmetrical? Write the answers in the box. Apakah bangun-bangun di bawah ini bangun simetri? Tulislah jawabanmu di kotak yang tersedia. How about the first shape? Is this a symmetrical shape? Yes, it is. You may fold it into two parts. How about the second shape? Is the second shape symmetrical shape? Yes, it is. How about the third shape? Is the third shape a symmetrical shape? No, it is not. How about these shapes? Is the fourth shape is symmetrical shapes? No, it is not. How about this one? Is this a symmetrical shape? Yes, it is. How about the next shapes? No, it is not. How about this one? No, it is not. How about the last shapes? Yes, this is symmetrical shapes. And those are the symmetrical lines. You may see the symmetrical lines of every symmetrical shapes. Okay, let's continue to look at your mathematics book, page 30. Question number 2. Draw a ring around all the symmetrical shapes. Gambarlah sebuah lingkaran melingkari semua bangun yang simetri. These are the shapes. Which are the symmetrical shapes? Good job. Second, third, fourth, 6, 7, and 8 are the symmetrical shapes. And these are the symmetrical lines. Jadi bangun yang kedua, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 adalah symmetrical shape atau bangun simetris. Dan garis simetrisnya berwarna merah. Okay, let's continue to the next question. Question number 3. Draw a ring around all the symmetrical letters. You may look at your mathematics book, page 30. Gambarlah sebuah lingkaran mengelilingi gambarlah sebuah lingkaran di semua huruf yang simetri. There is letter A, E, Z, I, O, T, H, and N. Which are the symmetrical letters? Good job. A, E, I, O, T, H are the symmetrical letters. You may look at the symmetrical line here. Jadi huruf A, E, I, O, T, dan H adalah huruf yang simetris karena bisa dilipat menjadi dua bagian yang sama besar. Oke, next. Please look at your mathematics book, page 31. Give checklist or tick the box if the dotted line is a line of symmetry. Berilah tanda checklist pada kotak yang tersedia jika garis putus-putus tersebut merupakan garis simetri. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, it is not. Is the dotted line is a line of symmetry? Yes, it is. How about this one? Yes, it is. The next dotted line is a line of symmetry? No, it is not. The next dotted line is a line of symmetry? No, it is not. And the last, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? No, it is not. The next question. Oh no. And now your turn. Times to do the exercise. After you watch the video, the explanation of the video, and now your turn to do the exercise on your mathematics books. Please look at your mathematics book, page 26 and 27, and also page 32 and 33. Answer it, and then submit to me. Okay, that's all our lesson today, boys. Thank you so much for all of the nice attention. Keep spirit, keep happy, and keep healthy. Don't forget to pray 5 times a day. The last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.